In this tutorial, we're diving into a super powerful tool in Photoshop 2025, the Harmonization Neural Filter. If you've ever done a composite, placed a person or an object into a new background and struggled to make it look real, this filter is designed to help you match lighting, color, tone, and shadows automatically. In this document, we have two layers. One is the subject, and the other is the background. We've taken a subject from another photo and placed it here, but as you can see, the colors and lighting don't quite match the background. So let's fix that using the Harmonization Neural Filter. First, select the subject layer. Then open the Harmonization Filter from the Neural Filters panel. Next, choose the background layer as the reference, so Photoshop can automatically match the subject's colors to the background. Take a look at the before and after. You can already see a nice improvement. The subject now blends much better with the background. Let's fine-tune it a bit more for a more natural look. Adjust the strength. This controls how strongly the filter applies the color match. Then tweak the colors, saturation, and brightness sliders until everything looks well balanced. Check the before and after again. And now the image looks great. Once you're happy with the result, set the output to New Layer and click OK. Let's take another look at the before and after. The difference is clear and much more natural. Now, let me show you one more example. Again, we have two layers, one for the subject and one for the background. Let's match the subject's color and tone. Right now, it doesn't blend well with the background. First, select the subject layer and open the Harmonization Neural Filter and choose the background layer as the reference. Instantly, Photoshop adjusts the color and tone to match perfectly. See the before and after. You can still fine-tune the sliders, strength, color, saturation, and brightness for a more natural blend. Take a look at the before and after again. Now the subject fits beautifully into the scene. The colors are balanced, the lighting looks natural, and the result is seamless. Remember, it all depends on how much you want to match the subject's color with the background. A little adjustment goes a long way toward achieving a perfect, realistic result. The Harmonization Neural Filter is a game changer for composite work. Remember, the key to a believable composite is balance. Even though the AI does most of the heavy lifting, your artistic eye and subtle manual adjustments make the difference between a good result and a professional one. So whenever you blend multiple photos, don't skip the harmonization filter. It saves time, maintains realism, and gives your work that cinematic look.